Hi guys, welcome back, and let me give you a little review of my Loewe puzzle bag. Alright, so while I am modeling this beauty, I had to record it over it because I have my kids making noises, so I couldn't really speak. But let me give you a review of how I bought my puzzle bag. I didn't want to order from department stores because sometimes when you buy a high luxury designer bag from Neiman Marcus or other boutiques, they do not let you return. There's my son that he was in the middle, but anyway, I ordered it online and I went to the Loewe website to order it, and it took almost 3 weeks at DHL. I was kind of like question myself why I didn't call the boutique here in the States. But just for future information, they have a boutique here in Miami or New York. They probably would have sent it to me like even faster, like in 2 or 3 days, or the next day shipping. The bag, it's the size small and it's in light caramel color. It's a soft green cowskin leather, and the handle drop is 7 centimeters. Right, so you can see here how it's very nice. It zips, really comfortably. You can see the stitchings there and the Loewe logo in the top. I can see how this is very safe for traveling, especially because of the pickpocketing And let me show you what it fits in my bag. So it fits a Zippy Wallet. This is the regular size Zippy Wallet, a cosmetic pouch PM, also a round coin purse. I also have here a Lysol spray and my little perfume, and of course my glasses. You can see here a logo of Loewe, and also it has just a small interior pocket. That's it. It's very simple, very low-key. There you go, guys. A gorgeous puzzle bag in a caramel light color and gold hardware. Let me also show you that my agenda fits on the bag. Of course, I removed everything else, but I think that a agenda, if you're placing an agenda you can still have space to put a wallet and maybe your 6-ring key holder, but you will have to place the agenda like I did because it doesn't go comfortably. Thank you, guys.